case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1988 court case Woolsey v. Nationwide Insurance, a dispute arose over an insurance policy's benefits, including collision loss, liability, and personal injury protection. The plaintiff sought to recover the deceased's accidental death payment, medical expenses, and lost wages from Nationwide Insurance. The company had paid medical benefits directly to the hospital and death benefits to the deceased's parents. However, the court found that while paying medical benefits to the hospital was proper, payment of death benefits to the parents was not in line with the policy, as it required payment to the personal representative of the insured. Nationwide Insurance argued that they should be granted restitution, as the money had been paid to the parents as a result of their misunderstanding of the law. However, the parents successfully defended themselves, stating that they had spent all the money on their son's funeral and medical bills and were destitute. Therefore, their situation had significantly changed since receiving the payment. As a result, the court held the defendant, Nationwide Insurance, liable to the plaintiff for collision and death benefits. The plaintiff was awarded judgment on the death benefits claim. However, the insurer was unable to seek restitution from the parents, and the court denied defendant's third-party claims against the parents. Due to the language of the insurance policy, the insured was not entitled to wage loss benefits.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.